to all a good night.
Who's that? That's Papa. That's Papa.
That's Papa.
'Twas 2 nights before Christmas when we chose to treat ourselves, to set the pots and pans aside. No cooking for tonight.
I love the that's Nico pizza. It's just cheese and meat sauce.
Yeah, it's great as an appetizer.
That's some good sauce.
Yeah, it is. And Nico's just eating crackers. Yeah, it's just like stuffed manicotti with meat sauce on top, which is the closest to lasagna. I'm fine with that.
And then
Perfect. Their meat sauce is amazing. Their meat sauce is amazing. Try that chicken marsala.
this is my first time having chicken marsala, and I got it because Nabo always tells me this story of how his brother ate like 3 pieces of chicken marsala.
Looks like you got 3 pieces of chicken there too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Good.
It's very mushroomy. And you can taste the wine. It's nice. And it came with a side of pasta.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Yeah, this sauce is really good.
We let our little one roam free amidst the twinkling streets of Chicago. To his delight, gifts from Uncle Dan and family appeared early, ensuring Christmas Eve would be filled with giggles and wonder.
Nico, you gotta do it again. Hard. Do it again. Jump. Woo! Good job. This is number 24. Who's that?
It's a minion.
It's a minion? I don't think it's a minion. Let's see who could it be. Who's that?
It's Santa.
Oh, when is Santa coming? I think your coat is upside down, buddy. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, super sleigh. Hey, jingle.
We wandered into a cozy museum where each exhibit whispered magic. Forgetting the rush of the season, we reveled in Nico's curious eyes, his tiny hands reaching out, not to break, but to touch and learn. Back at home, the warmth of Noche Buena awaited, a quiet celebration wrapped in the flavors of kimchi and beans.
Aplauso, aplauso.
Mira, toda la gente que fue a ver eso.
Laughter filled the air, the kind that lingers and warms the soul.
Eat the macaron, okay.
He's French. We don't know yet. We're making meatballs with this that we brought from Tennessee. It's apple butter and moonshine jelly. I don't know, sounds dangerous. Well, let's do it. And then we have some Brussels sprouts to pretend we're healthy.
I mean, I get a little bit of the moonshine smell to it. It's transparent. Let's try a little bit. I have to go a bit more. Go with a bit more. I mean, it tastes good. It's kind of like a sweet flavor, but
you can tell.
Can't really-
You can taste the alcohol here.
I can't.
Ha llegado el momento. The moment is here, guys. Oh, Nico's distracted for 2 seconds.
So we're gonna try some beaver nuggets, some chocolate-covered beaver nuggets, while we watch some of the Red Bull events, like Fluke Tag and the soapbox car races. Yeah, we're just having fun, just chilling. But let's try this. The chocolate smells in my hand. Oh, these are good. These are really good. So if you had beaver nuggets before and you thought they were too sweet, these might be up your alley because these are less sweet. They still have that crunchy exterior, but the milk chocolate is a bit less sweet. You want one?
Are they good?
Oh, these are good. I think you might like these more than...
As the year draws to a close, we pause to thank you all for the friendship, the kind words, and the travel and food adventures you've shared with us. It's a joy to read your thoughts, to feel the connection across miles. We hope your Christmas was as merry as your heart desired, and that the new year brings you peace, joy, and boundless blessings. We'll be off next week celebrating the Three Kings with grandparents, but until next time, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.